Nothing posted this teaser image on X with the caption 3, 2, 1. That could be a phone, a tablet, the case of new TWS buds, anything, really. But if we look at the timing, the Nothing Phone 1 and the Phone 2 launched in mid-July last year. As for a tablet, Nothing has not expressed an interest in tablets. Carl Pei's previous company did launch a tablet last year. The leak suggests this could be Nothing Phone 3 or CMF Phone 1. As per a new X user Gadget_Bits, this could be the CMF Phone 1 only. The X user has shared a photo of the device, which also has the screw on the bottom left corner of its backside. The phone appears to be covered with some case to hide its full design. The leaker claims the device will ditch Nothing's signature glyph interface. CMF Phone 1 could get a 6.67-inch 120Hz OLED display. The phone will allegedly be powered by a Dimensity 7200 chip, 6GB LPDDR4X RAM and 128/256GB UFS 2.2 storage. The first CMF smartphone could launch with Android 14 based Nothing OS 2.6. CMF Phone 1 image suggests the device could have two cameras on the back led by a 50MP sensor and a 16MP selfie snapper. The CMF Phone 1 comes with a 5000 mAh battery with 33W charging. If the CMF Phone 1 is indeed the new release, it is anticipated to be priced around 20,000 Indian rupees. The leak suggests that a new Nothing phone will launch in July 2024. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.